Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe, and if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. So in today's video, I'll be restocking some of my glosses as usual. If you guys follow S Cosmetics on Instagram, you would have seen that I came out with a new gloss like this week, and I introduced one tubes, and I'll show you guys the tubes as we go on in the video. So the one tube sold out like that same day, and I have like 5 glosses left, like 5 brownie glosses left. So I'll just be restocking that today, and also be restocking like my other glosses in the one tubes so that people can get it. So yeah, let's get started. So this is what brownie looks like with the flash on. It's really pretty. So yes, once again, my handy dandy assistant, say hello. What gloss do you have on? Let me guess. Gaia.
That's one.
Oh, and I can't tell. Brownie. The one I made yesterday.
That's 2.
How many glosses do you have on?
3.
So this is the setup. That's me. The stuff on the window is just what I took off the table, and this is the tube and the thing and the stopper. That's the knife that we use for mixing. So I did all the glitters and the what's it called, and the pigments. Now it's just time to mix it all up. Oh, this is pretty. That's so pretty. Oh my god. So that's Boss, Shameless, Royalty, Baby Girl, Crystal, and Brownie. So that's our little setup. Now we just need to mix it all up. So guys, these are all of the glosses.
Whee!
Let me give a closer. That's Shameless, that's Boss, Royalty, Baby Girl, Crystal, and Brownie. So that's all. Why does it mean? That's all of the glosses. So yeah, now we just need to tube them up. Now we just need to pump them into the tubes, and that's basically it, to be honest. But it's a lot of glosses, so yeah. Say hello.
Hi.
Guys, it is 5 minutes past 6. Oh, it is 5 minutes past 6 o'clock, and that's all we've done so far. We're just changing gloves now. We're still doing Crystal because it's a lot. I have Baby Girl, Royalty, Boss. Boss is looking good today.
And
yeah, there's sun now, so that's a plus for the pictures. So we'll come back in a bit to come and like update you guys. Ooh, skin. I took off my jumper because I was cold. I mean, I was hot. Alright, so guys, ignore the mess over there. We just finished now. So that's Crystal, Shameless, Boss. Royalty is so cute. Baby Girl and Brownie. And these are all the squeeze tube versions. Look at that. This is a beaut. But my favorite now is this. Look at, oh my god. Good morning guys. So it's the next day, it's Friday today, and I've got some like physical orders that I'll give to my sister to drop off. So that's what I'll be packing. I've got 3 physical orders and they're all brownie squeeze tubes, so I'll just be packing them now. Let's get started. Guys, look at this. Isn't this so cute? Hi guys, so really hi guys, so I couldn't go to the post office today because like my whole plan got disrupted. You can't see me anymore, but I'll just take it to the post office on Monday. So I'm just going home now to braid my hair because I've got somewhere to go tomorrow and I can't take this mess on my head. So yeah.